The bullet item widget allows bullet item lists to quickly be added to a page in a visually pleasing format without requiring that you generate underlying HTML code. You can use the widget to list your services, to display items in a list, to organize your text. With bullet item widget, you can define the number of columns, add an image to be displayed with your bulleted list, easily adjust the bullet text and add call to action buttons. You can easily change the layout from the editing menu later. The bullet item widget provides multiple layout options. This includes displaying a scrolling bullet list with one or more columns in a static text block, displaying a scrolling bullet list with one or more columns and a static image, combining both a static image and static text with a scrolling bulleted list, or simply displaying a multi-column bullet list without any static images or text. Each bullet point in the list can be a simple bullet point or a complex bullet point. Complex bullet points contain highlighted heading text along with formatted description text that provides additional details about a specific bullet point. A clickable button can be added to a bulleted list, and a custom bullet point image can be displayed next to each bullet point in the list. To add a bullet point list to a page, click on the bullet widget icon and select the layout from the drop-down preview. The widget is added to your page and displayed on the left side of the page editor in the list of your widgets. Click the Edit button to modify your content. The title field is the name of the bulleted list. The toggle controls if the title text is displayed on your page above the list. Wrapper class is a techie term for how the content will be displayed. Select if you want the content size to be limited by its parent container or stretched to the full screen width. Background color allows the selection of the background color around the bullet item block. The content dialog contains the text or HTML that should be displayed with the bullet list. The toggle controls if the content is displayed on your page. Column number determines the number of columns that the bullet items will be organized into and displayed in on the page. The bullet items can be displayed in a single list or in up to 4 columns. Optionally, select an existing image or upload a new image using the file manager that will be displayed next to the bullet point list. Alternative text is displayed in the user's browser in the case where their browser cannot display the image. Enter a description for the image in the alternative text field. Select the static image position from the drop-down list to define the relative position of the image when displayed with the bullet list. The image can be displayed on the left or right. Next, select if a call to action button will be displayed with the static content text using the Show Button toggle. If a button will be displayed, add the button caption text and button link. The link can be a relative or absolute URL. To display a bullet image next to each bullet point in the list, select an existing image or upload a new image using the file manager. Enter the alternative image description for use in the case where the user's browser cannot display the bullet image in the bullet image alternative text field. Next, create the individual bullet list items. For each bullet point that will be added, click the Add button. The Edit List Item form is displayed. Provide the title text for the bullet list item. If the bullet list item is a complex bullet point, provide the additional content that will be displayed alongside the bullet point in the content area. When satisfied with the bullet point's title and content, click the Add button again. Repeat these steps for each additional bullet point that should be added to the bullet list. For the purpose of this demo, displayed is a bullet widget with 4 bullet list items defined. The order of bullet items in the bullet item list can be changed by clicking and dragging. Preview the page before saving by clicking on Live Preview. Here is a sample preview of the page with the bullet item widget. Always remember to click the Save button. Thank you for watching this video.